Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best nail magnets is probably one of the most versatile and exciting tools to elevate your at-home gel manicures, allowing you to create stunning, professional-looking 3D cat eye effects and intricate designs with just a swipe of a magnet. Whether you're a seasoned nail art enthusiast or a beginner looking to add some flair to your nails, these little powerhouses can transform a simple gel polish into a work of art, offering endless possibilities for creativity and personalized style right at your fingertips. Number 5. Beetles Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish Set. Discover the magic of our Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish Set. Transform your nails with stunning, multi-dimensional color. Explore a spectrum of 6 captivating shades, from vibrant reds and pinks to deep burgundies and blues. Each color offers a unique, magnetic effect. Create mesmerizing looks with the innovative magnetic effect. Watch as the colors shift and shimmer, adding depth and sparkle to your manicure. Enjoy a brilliant, long-lasting shine that's perfect for any occasion. Our soak-off formula ensures easy application and removal. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This gel polish kit is an ideal present for any woman who loves to express herself through her style. Achieve salon-quality results right at home. It's never been easier to get stunning, professional-looking nails. What we like? This set offers a wide range of rich, sparkling colors with a strong magnetic effect for stunning cat eye designs. If you love variety and want to achieve eye-catching, multi-dimensional looks, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy experimenting with different shades and effects for a glamorous manicure. What people say. These magnets are very strong and create beautiful cat eye effects with gel polish. The magnets are easy to use and produce professional-looking results. I love the variety of designs I can create with these magnets. Number 4. Beetles Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish Kit. Discover the magic of our cat eye gel nail polish. Achieve stunning, multi-dimensional looks with ease. Explore a spectrum of 6 captivating colors, from shimmering silver to deep blues and reds. Each shade offers a unique velvet finish. Our soak-off formula is designed for simple application and removal. Get salon-quality French nail art right at home. Surprise the special women in your life with this Romantic Galaxy Series kit. It's an ideal gift for any occasion. Transform your nails into a cosmic masterpiece. Let your creativity shine with these mesmerizing gel polishes. We provide high-quality products for your nail art journey. Express yourself with confidence and style. What we like? Experience a unique velvet texture and a Romantic Galaxy Series with subtle shimmer. If you're looking for a sophisticated and dreamy nail look, this set is ideal. It's perfect for creating elegant, understated yet captivating manicures that evoke a sense of wonder. What people say. The polish is versatile. You can apply one coat for a translucent, stained glass effect or multiple coats for fully opaque nails. The colors are vibrant and smooth, and they last well on both natural nails and extensions. Beetles Gel Polish is my absolute favorite brand. There are so many colors to choose from and the quality can't be beat. It's easy to use, durable, smooth and dries quickly with the proper UV lamp. The colors are always bright and pretty and they last, even with being rough with my hands. Great color-changing nail polish. Easy to apply and work with and very pretty colors. Changes when body temperature is cold or warm. Dries quickly using UV lamp and it has great durability thus far. Texture is just right and consistency is right on. Number 3. MIZHSE 60ml 9D Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish Set. Discover the MIZHSE 60ml 9D Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish Set. This collection offers a stunning galaxy effect for your nails. Experience the magic of chameleon magnetic gel polish. With just a few simple steps, you can achieve a captivating look. This set includes everything you need, even a black base coat and 2 magnet sticks, to create professional-looking manicures at home. Achieve a beautiful soak-off LED nail art design with ease. It's perfect for both salon professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Looking for a unique gift? This glitter gel nail polish set is an ideal choice for Valentine's Day or any occasion. Elevate your manicure game with this high-quality gel polish. Enjoy salon-worthy results from the comfort of your home. What we like? This kit features a chameleon effect and comes with a black base coat and 2 magnet sticks for versatile application. If you want to achieve dynamic color shifts and detailed magnetic patterns with ease, this is the set for you. It's especially suitable for DIY enthusiasts and salon professionals seeking professional-grade results at home. What people say. The magnets are strong and create beautiful cat eye effects. Easy to use and achieve professional-looking results at home. Comes with multiple magnet shapes for different designs. Number 2. Major Dijit Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish. Discover the magic of holographic glitter with our revolutionary gel nail polish. Achieve stunning, salon-quality manicures right at home. Experience the captivating 9D wide translucent effect that shifts and shimmers with every angle. It's a truly unique look for your nails. Our specially designed formula works seamlessly with the included magnet. Create mesmerizing cat eye patterns with just a few simple steps. Enjoy a dazzling array of colors that are vibrant and chip-resistant. This polish is designed to last, keeping your nails looking flawless. Elevate your nail art game with this versatile gel polish. It's the perfect addition to your collection for endless creative possibilities. Get that professional, high-end finish without the salon price tag. This 15 ml bottle offers incredible value and stunning results. What we like? Get ready for holographic glitter and a wide, translucent 9D effect in a generous 15 ml size. If you desire a bold, shimmering, and expansive nail art design, this product stands out. It's perfect for those who want their nails to be the center of attention with a dazzling, multi-dimensional sparkle. What people say. Best universal cat eye that you can use on any color to give many different effects. Perfect to do velvet nails, moonlight, sparkly marble, and you do not need to apply a thick layer for it to work. Comes with a magnet and it's a great sized bottle will last for years. We use this in our salon and is the only brand that works. Does not have a black undertone. This is a really good product, especially for the price. I picked this product because it doesn't have any base color to it, which is extremely convenient to lay over any color I want. I love that it comes with a little magnet. The magnet works well. Vernis Magnifique et Trace Facile d'Utilisation. ILS Trace Fluid donc Très Simple à Appliquer. Je le recommande à 100% même pour le débutant comme moi. Number 1. Beautpal Magnetic Jelly Gel Nail Polish Set. Discover the Beautpal Magnetic Jelly Gel Nail Polish Set, your key to salon-quality manicures at home. This set brings professional results right to your fingertips. Explore a stunning collection of 10 semi-transparent pastel colors, including captivating cat eye gels. Achieve endless creative looks with ease. Transform your nails with our easy-to-use gel polish. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and anyone looking for a beautiful, long-lasting manicure. Experience the quality of a professional nail salon in every application. Our formula ensures a smooth, even finish every time. Enjoy the convenience of a soak-off UV gel formula. It's designed for easy removal, making your at-home manicure experience hassle-free. Each bottle contains 7 ml of rich, vibrant color. You'll have plenty to create multiple stunning manicures for any occasion. What we like? Discover 10 semi-transparent pastel jelly colors for a soft, dreamy look. If you prefer a more subtle, chic, and airy aesthetic for your nails, this set is perfect. It's ideal for home DIY manicures and anyone who loves the delicate beauty of pastel shades with a unique jelly finish. What people say. The magnets are strong and create beautiful cat eye effects. Easy to use and achieve professional-looking results at home. Comes with multiple magnet shapes for different designs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.